So we are talking about types of frontal. I know you know them by name. If you know them, mention it. Don't let me assume. Do you know type of frontal, or you don't?
I know type of frontal, at least to an extent.
Okay,
There's 360.
Okay.
There's 13 by whatever, maybe by 5 or by 4.
Okay.
And there is I've forgotten this.
13 by 6.
13 by 6.
So since you have an idea, so let's start with it. This is a frontal wig cap, as you can see. You can see the inside. This is the frontal wig cap. This is 13 by 4. So this is let me show you the measurement or how frontal is measured for you to have an idea, so that when you want to buy frontal, yeah, there are some frontal are cheaper than the other. So there are some things you need to put into consideration that make those frontals cheaper to the other one, or cheap to the other one. So let me use my tape rule. So we are going to measure if it's actually 13 by 4. So we want to measure on a straight line to get 13 on a straight line. So this is from 1. Can you see?
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
Now this is 13. So by what?
By 4.
This is
by 4.
Can you see? By
yes.
4. So this is 13 by 4. This they measure the width. I mean, is this a width?
Yes.
This is the width, Abby. The length of it is 13. Then the breadth of it, or the width inward, is the by 4 or by 6. So this is 13 by 4 frontal. So you want to, if you are not really into, depending on the style you want to do, to determine if you want to go by 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. If you want to style inward, that you want a line that will show like kimke closure, or C-cut. If you want to do C-cuts, you can't do C-cut with 13 by 4. You will do, but you won't really get that feel as such, because C-cut is like this. For you to be able to eat in, can you see that this place is small? It won't be that much. So mostly they use 13 by 6 for C-cuts. So this one you can do side parts, center parts with this most times. So you are also limited with style when it comes to 13 by 4. So let's look at this also. This is a full frontal, not a wig, just a frontal. So let's confirm the length. Let's measure if it's 13 by 4. Can you see? This is a 13 by 4. Hope the video is well, because I'm going to use it for. So this is by 4. Can you see? So you measure from the front like this. And this is where they measure it. 13 by 4. Can you see?
Yes, I saw it.
So let's measure the width, or the breadth, Denny.
4.
Can you see? 4. So this is it. So now let me measure. Let me see if I think this is a 13 by 6 frontal wig. So let's measure this. Can you see? 13. 13. Now you see this is by 6, not by 4. You can already see how wide
it is.
Yes. Can you
6,
see?
yes.
So you're not measuring from here, from where the air starts from where the ventilation starts.
That's from.
So this is where they start the ventilation. Can you see the
Yes.
So 13 by 6. Can you see the difference?
Yes.
So this one, let's just imagine you want to do C-cuts. Can you see?
Yes, it's easier.
You can do the C-cuts well. So now that's a measurement. Let's now talk about the lace. So I don't have HD lace right here now. So this one is called, they usually call this a jeans lace or hard lace.
Okay.
This is called a jeans lace or hard lace. And the reason why, you know that jeans is hard. So that's why they call it a jeans lace. You can say a jeans lace or a hard lace. You can see, look at this lace compared to this. This is also more like a jeans lace, but this one is harder in texture compared to this one. Although this one already has been tinted, it has a tint on it. If you look at the color, you see that it's almost like a skin tone. Can you see? You can compare the color. So this is a jeans lace. And if you look at this one is also more like a jeans lace, very hard. So there is another lace, they just call it it's also under Swiss lace. Most of these lace are called Swiss lace, but they have grade. There is one that is hard, there is one that is I will have to go and check inside. I cut off some human hair. So there are some normal lace that are not jeans lace, neither are they HD, but they are soft and they are easy to tint, and they blend in well with the skin. By the time you tint it, it absorbs tint faster compared to this jeans lace. So this one is also a normal Swiss lace. This Swiss we see mostly higher than Swiss, but mostly when you request for HD, we see HD lace is very expensive. And when you buy wig that has to do with that the frontal is made with HD lace, it's definitely going to be expensive. So those are the things you need to know also about this, because when you are customizing, when you are making a frontal, you want to lace it down. It takes more extra effort in doing this jeans lace, this type of lace, compared to HD lace. HD lace is little effort because it already blends with the skin. The only thing you just need to do is just let it lay well and melt with it. So it takes little effort when it comes to, and when I say little effort, does not mean you won't do the plucking and everything, but the transparency of the lace on the scalp is not visible that much without doing more anything on it as such, compared to this one. Imagine you are doing frontal and you cut this one, you leave it like this, all this place will be showing on your hair. So can you even see it on my skin tone? So you need to do some prepping, tinting that will make it blend with the skin tone. So that's it on the lace, the frontal, and how we are going to start. When we get to the practical, you will see what it takes to style this kind of lace compared to HD lace. So if you have the money, you can get HD lace. Different. So they have different. So if you buy this kind of factory wig and another person buy this and you say, but I got it cheaper. So you have to look at the other things in it for you to know why is your own cheaper, why is this or why that. Although Nigeria doesn't have a fixed rate for wig. Everybody sell wig at their own discretion, at their own price discretion, based on the fact that everybody has different vendor. The import rate or child rate they exchange their money to buy different from another person. So those are the things you look at into it. But however, these are the type of lace you look into. So for you to know the price also, you need to ask the person, what kind of lace are you buying? If somebody say, I want you to buy me a frontal wig, style it, C-cut, you have to let the person know you are not buying 13x4. Those are the things you need to know. Or a customer bring 13x4 closer to and say style it to C. So you can style it to C-cut, but it's not going to be C all round. Can you see this one? And this is 13x6. See, can you see that you can style C-cut very well? Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? So you can style the C-cuts very well. So, type of frontal, the lace, and different.